statement. Project scope statement was it, that is. So how the project scope is managed? We collect the requirements. क्या क्या requirements है? मकान के केस में क्या requirement होगी? हमको प्लॉट चाहिएगा, यानी प्लॉट तो ऑलरेडी है, प्लॉट तो वाला है. We want to go only for construction. कॉन्ट्रैक्टर चाहिएगा हमें, या सीधे बनाना है उसको, कितने फ्लोर बनाने हैं, क्या requirements हैं हमारे? Requirements are needs and expectations. Requirements are needs and expectations. What is the difference between needs and expectations? What is need? What is expectation? Need is the stated requirement, and expectation is unstated requirement. Like I will tell you, I came here. My requirement was projector. It was stated requirement. It was stated. I cannot work without. But there can be something which cannot be stated. I got this lassi, it was not stated. But I expected something should be given. So this is expectation. So we need to take care of needs and expectations both. I must be good. So this mic I should get, it can be like a need, but it should be in good condition. It is an expectation. Okay. So requirements are needs and expectations of stakeholders. So we need to collect first, then define the scope. Scope is defined. Now what is the difference between requirements and scope? Scope is the work required to be done to meet the requirements. I need water. I need bottled water. I need chilled bottled water. So in 3 steps I am giving my requirement. Now what is to be done? Scope changes. If I just say I need water, कोई भी पैसा नहीं चलेगा. It is different scope. The work required to arrange that water is different. I say I need bottled water, then scope changes. I say I need chilled water. So like you need to go into such details, collect requirements and define scope, what work is required to be done to meet the requirements, meet the expectations and needs both. Now we create WPS. WPS is work breakdown structure, because if project is like you can't eat a big cake or you can't distribute today, so you will cut it into pieces and then distribute. So the whole project is divided into pieces. Like in a house you can divide the work, design कोई करेगा, construction कोई करेगा. Then in construction also you can say civil work, electrical work, sanitary work, finishing, interior, all these are divided. Then electrical work, he will look after, other contractor will be there, civil contractor will be there, like that. So WPS, create WPS is work breakdown structure. Verify scope. Verify scope comes after the work is done. After the project is, I will verify the scope. Like I ordered for chilled water. Now this bottle has come to me. Now I will check it, whether it is chilled or not, whether it is bottled or not. Water, I will verify the scope. Okay, this is okay. This is as per scope. I am satisfied. So here the customer comes into the picture. Whether the work, whether the scope is to be verified here. The product is as per the requirement of the customer. Verify control scope. Now control scope is requirements keep changing. Requirements change होती रहती है. किसी भी project पे you can't define everything. Requirement keep changing, then scope keep changing. The scope keep changing, it will affect other factors also. So this is controlling it. यानी कि बीच में हमें देखते रहना कि कोई requirement change हो रही है, उसकी वजह से कितना scope change होगा, तो project को overall कैसे control किया जाए scope को, that comes under design.